I was just in the process of making my new video. So, today's video is going to be about cooking in the form of a story. And I've tried my best to make it super funny and super amazing. Hope you guys like it. Also, there's a little surprise for you at the end. So, without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Once upon a time, there lived a fat and lazy rooster. His craziness for food made him obese and overweight. Because of his obesity, he didn't even want to walk. Even he had to change the size of the door of his house because he couldn't go to the door very easily. When his friends started to make fun of him, he started fighting with them. Then he decided to reduce his weight and do regular workouts in order to achieve a six-pack and be fit. To be fit, he started doing Zumba, joined a gym, and started weight training, but nothing worked. Sadly, before achieving his dream, he died due to some diseases. He died before achieving his dream. So I am going to fulfill his dream today in his memory. For that, after giving a spot treatment to the chicken, I used salt as a body scrubber for cleaning it. He looks handsome now after bathing him in water mixed with salt and turmeric. Now we are going to make a body mask for him. For making the body mask, we need chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, pepper powder, fennel seed powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, and lemon juice. Also, a little of olive oil as well. We need to mix these all. The body mask should not be dry and should stick to the chicken when applied. The benefit of using olive oil is that the mask will not be dry, and when you are grilling the chicken, olive oil gives a crispy fried texture to the chicken. You should apply the body mask evenly in all parts of the chicken. After applying the body mask, please leave for rest for at least 15 minutes. For a steam bath, you should keep the chicken by tying it to the grill rod. You can add the leftover body mask to some fruits and vegetables and mix it properly. When the body mask dries, you can send the chicken for a steam bath. You can see his fat is burning out during steam bath. I made a bed of vegetables with leftover body mask. In this way, my mom taught me the whole chicken grilling process, and you can buy her anything in the same way as the story. Just have a look. He looks handsome after the spa treatment and the steam bath. He is handsome, spicy, and hot in every aspect. Hope you all enjoyed this story video. Dedicating this to all the younger kids out there. Right now, my mouth is watering like an ocean. You guys tell him how he is in the comments below.
Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.
Bye bye. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more notifications of when I'm going to release my next video. Thank you and bye bye.